How to change your gender on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to change your gender on your Instagram account. Just follow the video until the end. You go first guys and you open your Instagram. When your Instagram is opening like that, you go down and open your profile. Then you go to this three line and click. Then you go to settings and click again. After this, go to account and click again. Then go to the first option, personal information, and click. Then you will find here gender. You will click and you will change it as you want. For example, if you are female or male, or you don't want to have a gender or to show people your gender, you can say here prefer not to say. And when you finish, you click save here, save, sorry, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next